somebody help out Ricky? Alright, looks like Jeff got him.
Agent Orange 50.9. 1 minute left. Cyberdrone 58.5. Ricky 59.7.
We got a tiny hawk out there on this round here.
Yakondan 122.2. Agent Orange 46.9. Cyberdrone 44.5. 10. 9. 8. Ricky 48.7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Yakondan 102.7. Yakondan done with the 2-lap 229 flat result. Cyberdrone 45.3. Cyberdrone done with the 3-lap 231.3 result. Ricky 41.9. Ricky done with the 3-lap 233.5 result.